I posted a poll on my YouTube community kung ano ang gusto ninyong matutunan. Dropshipping, Amazon FBA, YouTube, at iba pang pwedeng i-sideline. At ang nanalo ay ang YouTube. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to make money on YouTube, make it a side hustle, and provide you passive income. Actually, napakaraming way how to make money on YouTube. First is through YouTube Partner Program or YYP. Ito yung pinaka-common na alam natin kung paano kumita sa YouTube. Kapag monetize na ang channel natin, kikita na tayo sa mga ad revenue. Ito yung mga nakikita nating mga lumalabas na mga ads sa video natin. Now, bago tayo kikita through ad revenue, kailangang ma-monetize muna ang channel natin. At ang mga requirements ay you should have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours in the last 365 days or 10 million public short views in the last 90 days. Now, merong new update sa YouTube kung saan pwede kayong kumita through memberships, supers, which is earning directly from your viewers, and shopping. Ito yung pwede ka mag-share ng mga products directly to your viewers. At less ang kailangang requirements. 500 subscribers, 3 video uploads in the last 90 days, and 3,000 public watch hours or 3 million public short views in the last 90 days. Kung tutusin, medyo konti lang ang requirements natin kumpara doon sa mga requirements nung unang sinabi ko kung saan ay pwede kang kumita through ad revenue. Next is through selling your own product. Kapag may binibenta kang mga produkto or kung may negosyo kayo or business, it is a good platform to sell your stuff without paying for ads. Kasi YouTube is a platform where people go before they make a purchase. For example, they are looking for reviews for a certain product that they want to buy. They go to YouTube. Another thing is they want to watch a tutorial video how to use a certain product or service that they are interested in. Let's say for example, ang business mo ay beauty products at gumawa ka ng video tutorial how to use a makeup brush properly. Tapos, napanood ito ng potential customers ninyo. At doon mismo sa video mo ay nilagay mo yung website ninyo kung saan nila mabibili yung product. You not only help that person how to use a makeup brush properly, but you also make sales if they ended up buying. And as long as your video is in YouTube, you will get more and more people to watch it, and that means more and more people will get to know your business and help it grow. That is organic marketing. You are making sales without spending money for any advertising. I was also able to monetize my husband's passion through YouTube, and we were able to build a business out of it. You can also do the same. You can share whatever your passion on YouTube, kahit ano man yan. Make a tutorial about it. For example, mahilig kayong magluto. Pwede kayong gumawa ng YouTube channel showing how to cook different kinds of dishes. For example, how to cook adobo, how to cook pinakbet, how to cook sinigang, how to cook whatever man yan. So since nagluluto naman kayo araw-araw sa inyong bahay, why not document it and then upload it into YouTube and then create passive income from it. And then eventually, when your channel grows, you will create passive income streams. Ito pang idea na pwede mong gawin. You can create and sell cookbooks or offer private cooking lessons. You can even make an ebook and a course about cooking and sell it. If you are passionate about photography, you can create a channel and share your tips how to capture great photos or videos. And then, pwede mong i-monetize yan by creating your own ebook or course about photography or videography that you can sell. You can also launch your own photography business where they can hire you during special events or occasions. Now, let's go to another example. Kunwari, passionate ka about teaching or you are a teacher. You can create a channel and teach what you know. For example, you are an English teacher. You can monetize that by offering your service as an English tutor. Ang daming ways how to make money from YouTube, diba? Even your profession, you can also monetize that. Let's say you are an accountant. You can create a channel and discuss everything you know about accounting. Meron akong kakilala actually na accountant at gumawa siya ng YouTube channel. Ang dinidiscuss niya doon ay syempre yung mga basics ng alam niya about accounting. Kapag empleyado ka, kapag may negosyo, kapag self-employed, and even he talks about taxation. Paano mag-file ng tax, ano yung mga kailangan mong mga forms na i-fill up, anything under the sun regarding taxes. At dahil doon, ang dami niyang nakukuhang clients because of his YouTube channel. From the videos on his channel alone, he is making money in 2 ways. He is earning from the ad revenue and from the clients na nakukuha niya. So it's like like shooting two birds with one stone. And you only make the video once. That's how you can turn YouTube into a passive income stream. Ngayon, alam ko iniisip ninyo, mag-work ba yan sa profession ko? Yes, kahit na anong profession, mag-work ito. Sa milyon-milyong viewers ng YouTube monthly, imposible na wala ni isa sa kanila ang same passion or profession ninyo. If you want to learn how to turn your passion into paycheck, I have a free ebook that you can download in the description. Next is through affiliate marketing. This is a good way to make money from YouTube if you have a small following kahit hindi ka pa monetize at kahit wala kang sariling product to sell. The way this works is to promote other people's products, whether physical or digital products. You will have a special link. At kapag kinlik ng mga tao yung link mo at bumili sila, you will earn a commission. I guess this is the easiest way to earn from the internet if you are a beginner. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan ng sarili mong products. Ngayon, saan naman kayo hahanap ng mga products na ipopromote? There is Amazon. There are millions and millions of products you can promote in Amazon. You just need to apply as Amazon affiliate, and once approved, get a link of the product you want to promote and put it in your video's description. Sa Philippines, there is Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok affiliate program. Pwede mong ipromote ang kahit na anong mga product sa mga platforms na yon to earn a commission. For digital products naman, there is Digistore24 and ClickBank. Again, you need to apply. And once approved, meron kang special link for the products you want to promote. Now, if you do this right, you can earn big. Some people actually quit their full-time job because they earn so much more from this side hustle. Of course, kailangan ninyong araling maigi if you want results. I have a free ebook that you can download about affiliate marketing in the description below. Now, if you want to learn more how you can start a YouTube business without even showing your face, I want you to comment down below YouTube business so I can make a video for you. And if you want to learn more from me, check this video next.